experience substantial and high transmission for 14 days, 2 weeks, tenants will no longer be protected by the moratorium. On the other hand, if COVID cases worsen in a county, renters might become protected by the CDC's order. The announcement coming after a previous eviction moratorium ran out over the weekend. As we've been reporting, this new order will expire October 3rd. Daily COVID-19 vaccinations in the U.S. have reached the highest level now in a month, but the Delta variant, as we mentioned, continues to spread, and data from the CDC suggests that at the current pace, it would still take about 6 months to get all eligible Americans, at least one dose. Camila Bernal brings us the latest.
While more people are getting vaccinated, the CDC acknowledging the pandemic is far from over.
Delta is here. It's bad.
The variant now accounts for an estimated 93.4% of COVID-19 cases in the U.S.
I can't think of a single person who doesn't at least know one person or a family member or friend who hasn't contracted COVID in the last couple of weeks.
In Louisiana, a rise in children who are hospitalized.
It's hard for us as pediatricians to see kids affected by a preventable disease.
In Florida, hospitalizations up 13%, and the mask debate front and center.
You can think what you want to think, but also these masks have proven that they are saving people.
Now the world is on track to hit more than 200 million cases by next week, according to the World Health Organization. The WHO also saying not yet to booster shots.
WHO is calling for a moratorium on boosters until at least the end of September to enable at least 10% of the population of every country to be vaccinated.
This as back in the U.S., the FDA works to grant full approval of the vaccine, which experts hope could encourage more Americans to get the shot.
They said hopefully by the end of the month. I hope it's even sooner than that.
I'm Camila Bernal reporting.
Meantime, the Biden administration is creating a plan that mandates vaccinations for nearly all foreign visitors to the U.S. That's according to a White House official who adds some exceptions will be made. Work on this plan is in the early stages, and an official announcement is not expected anytime soon. There haven't been any changes to the current travel restrictions due to the Delta variant of COVID-19, but federal officials are developing a strategy for when they will eventually be lifted. The White House nearly started to remove some of those restrictions earlier this year, but that was put on hold again due to the Delta variant. According to the CDC, the Delta variant is responsible now for more than 90% of positive cases in the U.S. right now.